Hey family, just a little throwback on my Amazon days. Sometimes I really miss my job at Amazon because I love driving these hustlers. We would move the 53-foot trailers from the dock doors to parking spots when they were full, and if they needed it empty, we would move them from the parking spots to the dock doors. And it was really, really fun. There I am backing in that trailer. We had a really good site because we had a lot of space to maneuver around, and I was fortunate enough to be on a really good team. There I am unhooking from the trailer, getting ready to pull out and go head to the next one. So I just thought I'd share this with you. I don't know how many of you knew that my husband and I both work for Amazon. So I just wanted to share this with you. Hope you have a good day. See you later.